Want to design eye-catching posters? Let's get started. Press Ctrl+N to create a new page. Now, choose a background color for the poster. Go to the Layers panel, click on the FX button, and select Color Overlay. Enter this color code and click OK. Then, lock your background layer. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Now, apply a gradient to this circle by following these settings. Next, choose the text tool and type your desired letter. Hold down the Alt key to duplicate it. Resize your text and place it in the right position. Select the letter, right-click on it in the Layers panel, and choose Convert to Shape. Turn off the fill and stroke for this shape. Then, go back to the Layers panel and add a stroke again. Repeat this process for the other letters. Now, use the rectangle tool to create a vertical line and follow these settings. Place this shape below the text and copy its style. Paste the style onto this new shape and apply the same color as the shape above. Open your image and remove its background easily using this method. Place the image in the right position. Finally, to add a light reflection on the glasses of the image, carefully follow this process. Now we've created an eye-catching poster. Thanks for watching. To support me and see more tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts with me.